I bought these pastillas for 25 pesos at Cargara Leyte. 12 pieces of pastillas for 25 pesos. Guys, super mahal na talaga bilihin ngayon. It's cute. Very cute. See? This is one of the delicacy of Cargara Leyte. See? This is made of milk. Milk, diba? So cute. Pastillas kayo dyan, guys. Let's eat pastillas.